How has the coronavirus been affecting my six-figure digital marketing agency? What's up, everybody? My name is Jordan, and in today's video, I want to talk about how, this pandemic situation and, everything that's going on with the world and how it has affected not only my agency, but my clients as well. And, things are looking a little shaky right now as we, try to figure it out. And for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Jordan, and what I do with my channel is pass back all my experience, knowledge, mistakes, and struggles back to you guys so that you can cut the learning curve and grow your own agencies. I provide free resources, trainings, free live Q&As, everything to help you guys grow your agencies. And sorry if I look like I just woke up. I really did just wake up, and that's perks of being able to work from home, is being able to just roll out of bed and working whenever you feel like it. But so excuse me if my hair looks a little weird. I don't normally do this, but I'm usually more get ready and stuff and before I start my videos. But today I just felt like jumping right into it. And so I just want to go ahead and get started here with how the coronavirus is affecting my business as well as my clients. So as far as with my agency, as far as like results and things like that, things are slowing down, which is scary. I wouldn't say it's like really that much scary, but I'm more scared for my clients because they're not get used to seeing less results, and anything could happen if they're not used to seeing normal results. They're either, number one, going to pause their services with me, or number two, they're not going to want to do it anymore, right? Until things get figured out. So, those are some things that are going on with my agency as far as like delivering results for my clients, is that, and I'll go ahead, I'll show you the numbers. I'm going to go ahead, I'll show you the numbers as well, so that way you can see, how much of a decline, we're seeing as far as like getting results and things like that. And then as far as onboarding new clients, that's something that is also a little tough in the sticky situation right now because, we've sent out proposals. We've talked to prospects and potential clients who did show interest in our services. But as of right now, they are not looking to work with marketing companies right now. We've sent out 2 proposals. Both of them, they're kind of like in an emergency mode right now. So, they haven't really gotten back to us, signed the proposal or anything like that. We have called them and they did say that, right now is just not a good time. They're probably going to reach back out to us, once things get figured out, or, within the next week. But I'm thinking that it's probably going to be extended until things are get more figured out because, places are closing down, you guys, like businesses, gyms, restaurants, bars, nightclubs, even the law courts are closing down. So even attorneys and lawyers, I don't know how they're going to be able to to work pretty much. Most of these clients are not able to work, and that's going to have a big effect on agency owners. If they did, depending on, who your clients are and what your niche is, then it may have a big effect on yours if they're unable to work, So far as of right now, luckily none of my clients has, none of them have decided to pause the campaigns or anything like that. I did email them. I've reached out to all of my clients and I've said, with everything that's going on, it may affect the results, and they all understand what is going on and they have all decided to continue. So yeah, that is the update with the agency stuff. And here I'm going to start showing you the results, the call logs. Basically, these are all the inbound leads that call into my clients. As you can see here, in the last 30 days we have 344 total calls. Now we go to unique callers, which means they are unique leads, because some leads they do call in more than once. So we're just going to go ahead and we'll go into unique. So as you can see here, we brought in a total of 266 inbound leads for our clients in the past 30 days. This is from February 16th to the day of recording this, which is March 17th. And as you can see here, in February, we're averaging, close to about 20 calls. 18, 17, 21 calls. And then as we progress, this is a Saturday. On Saturday and Sundays, we don't run ads. These calls are probably from just, they saved the number. So we only count weekdays. As you can see here, Monday 17, 19, and then we had a short day here on Wednesday, February 26, only 13 leads. Thursday 15. So as you can see here, in like mid-February, or at the end of February, we're starting to see things on a decline here. 13 calls, 15 leads, and then on a Friday, Friday was terrible here. We only brought in 5 total leads, which is terrible. And then Monday, still a little slow, 14, 17, which is, considered good in the time like this, I guess. 18. So Tuesday and Wednesday, we did have decent days there. Thursdays, things are starting to decline again. So Thursday and Friday, really, we're starting to see the decline later on in the week. And now as we start off in March here, Monday, 4 calls, that is not good. 16 calls, so we did bounce back on Tuesday. Wednesday, not a good day, which is 8. 13. So you guys want to also notice that, every day there's news coming out. So different news are coming out. And so that's going to affect how, how many leads come in as well, how many people are staying home, and, how many people are going out to stock up on whatever it is that they need to do. So, depending on the day, what news come out that day, it will have a direct impact on how many leads you're able to bring in and how much business you're able to, bring in for your clients. So Wednesday we had 8, Thursday 13 here, and then Friday. So things are, slowing down, as you could see here, compared to over here, beginning of or mid-February, we were, up towards the 20 leads, and then we really slowed down to, 10 and below here. And then Friday, March 13th, we had 9 leads. On Monday, which is yesterday, we had 7 leads, and today so far, it's still early in the day. And we've only brought in 2 leads. So as you could see, we do see a little decline here, but hopefully things will pick up soon and everything gets figured out. So let me know how has, this impacted your agency. If you are an agency owner, and if you are a business, let me know, what is going on. So keep us updated pretty much in the comment section. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow the journey. I'm always going to be putting out free content to help you guys grow your agencies, and, free strategies and tips to help you grow. And before I leave you guys, I wanted to say, I hope that you and your family stays safe and stay clean. Hopefully you guys are good, and I hope you guys continue to stay optimistic in tough times like these. Things will get better. Sometimes you need to take 2 steps back to make a big leap forward. So stay optimistic. Things will get better, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.